Welcome to Nina in the kitchen. You know, the holidays are fast approaching, and so I start thinking about those little gifts that maybe you want to bring to someone's home as a host or hostess gift, or that you want to have in your house when people come in to visit you. So, one of my favorites, this is a limoncello. It's very simple. This is all that you need to do. You want organic lemons. You just peel them, and you want the peel preferably without any white on the flip side on the bottom. The other ingredient is vodka. Now, I wanted a small batch, but you can double, triple, quadruple this recipe. It always works. What I have in here is 1 pint of vodka, and this is the peel of 3 lemons. What you do is you cover your jar, put it somewhere dark and cool. This is the fresh peel, and this is the one that has been soaking. You want it to look like parchment. Every few days, or just whenever you think of it, you go in and you shake this jar. Shake the jar up. Eventually all of the oils will come out of that lemon zest, and you end up with this really fragrant vodka. It's really, woo, it's strong. The other thing you can use is grain alcohol. I'll show you right now how to finish this all up and make your own limoncello. So here's what I've done. I'm just using 1 pint or 2 cups of vodka. I've had this around for about 2.5 weeks or so. I've been shaking it once in a while when I think about it. For 1 pint, 2 cups, I'm going with 2 cups of sugar and 3 cups of water. I just wanted a small batch. And whatever you make, you're going to get 3 times that. So if you use 1 liter of vodka, you're going to end up with 3 liters of limoncello. To make a simple syrup, you just put the sugar and water in a pan at the same time and bring it up to a boil. When it begins to look viscous and clear like this one does, that is a simple syrup. Just remove it from the heat, let it come to room temp, ready to go. This is simple syrup. Just bring it up to a boil. Do not touch it. Do not stir it. Just watch it, and as soon as the sugar is gone, and it takes a couple of minutes, then you just turn it off. You'll have this very clear liquid, just like this, and from here, you let that come to room temp. Take your vodka, leave all the pieces inside, and you just add that to your simple syrup. You have all of these lemons. They still have a lot of flavor in there, and they have the alcohol still in there. Put a little water in here, maybe a ½ cup, shake it around, and pour that in. This is now 6 3/4 cups of limoncello that I've made. Smells so good. You just stir it, make sure everything's mixed together in there. Pour it into bottles, and you now have limoncello. How would you use this? Well, you would drink it chilled in little tiny decorative pony glasses. You can also do this with orange. I've done tangerine, I've done grapefruit. My favorites are the lemon and the grapefruit. The orange really wasn't special. You can saute shrimp or scallops. Pour a little bit of this, do a flambé, ooh, fancy. The other way to use this is in baking. You can put this into frosting. Just a little drop of it gives you a burst, I should say, of lemon flavor. Same in cakes, just a little bit. And then you can call your cake something like limoncello creme blah, 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 you know. So anyway, have fun with this. It's a great recipe. I wanted to show this to you. One year I gave these out as gifts. I made a label for it. This was a lot of fun. It's a special reserve from 2011. I called it Mellocello, and this was the flavor, the limoncello. It's just a fun little thing. It's a great little surprise gift to bring to people's homes. As I said, serve it chilled. It's delicious. Enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.